You want?
Your heart. I have my heart eagle.
Wow.
Look, I got my heart. Oh, so pretty. Oh no, you see your teeth. Look, I have weeds. I got weeds. And you got your clothes. And I like you, teacher. Yes, I'm so scared.
You want that lipstick? You want that candy?
Oh, no. When I make
You want lipstick candy?
no, thank you.
Okay.
What's that? You know, this is lemon. What's what too?
You want to give her lemon?
Yes, Sharon Cherry.
Yeah, Sharon is caring.
I want lemon.
Okay, you can try her lemon. Ay, that one. This is for Kuya James. That one is okay. That's for okay. Sharon is caring.
Oh yeah. And this is the uncle one. This lemon.
How old are you?
I read. Oh.
3 years old? 4 years old? How about you? How old are you, Jamika?
I read. Oh.
Yes. Now? Okay.
I like you, teacher.
Yes, it's teacher.
Oh, you're okay.
Dirty na. Give it to mommy. Let mommy wash it first. Go. Don't eat it. It's dirty na, okay?